What's up everybody? Another day, another unboxing. Today I've got Yeezy 380s Mist. This is the box. It took literally 4 days to come to the UK. I was wrapped in this 4 days. That's quick. Nothing else here, so as you can see, 2 boxes. So yeah, Yeezy Boost 380, this is the woman's size, UK 6. Mist, originals, made in China. That's true. 380. Boost. Really nice, solid box, I must say. At the end of the video, I will show you the clips of the shoes on fit. So, okay, let's open it. The retail price on this is gonna be, it's not confirmed because they're not out yet. It's $230. Let's see. They smell like glue, just like every other shoe. They have this paper. Wow, quality in first second. Really good. Very nice. Jeez. So this is the size here. UK 6.5 US. This is the inside. Very nice puffy material inside for your heel. The insole. So this is not gonna come out after first time, so this is good. So the inside. The sides, the front, the back. Adidas logo here. Boost. This is very soft, you can see, especially here. I think it should be 2 versions of these shoes, a regular and which is reflective version, but is that reflective or not? Looks like it is or not. Anyway, we'll try them on the street and see how they fit, how they look. Which one do you like more, this or the previous model, previous colorway, I must say. 380s aliens. The same with this shoe. Really good quality here, man. So yeah, here they are. Let me know what you guys think of these. Which one you like more, these or the aliens? If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, because why not? I will leave all the information in the description about the shoe, and I will see you in the next one.
We must pay homage to him.